Hi everyone, it's Daniel. Today I've done a 90s blowout look for Valentina. If you want to know how I've done it, keep watching. For the start, we're going to use the MOISTREPAIR Shampoo. Keeps the hair nicely hydrated. To keep the blonde tone clear, I'm going to use the COLORVITALITY Blonde Conditioner. For the styling, I'm going to use the ADDVOLUME Styling Foam Mousse. This one gives me like a lot of boost and a lot of volume. And my little tip is the De-Frizz Oil from TAMEFRIZZ. Just a tiny bit into the ends, keeps the ends nice and super shiny. CONSCIOUSSTYLE Multi-Benefit Spray. It is a style and a finish product. I'm going to use it now to give extra boost when I'm using the rollers. Just let the rollers cool down and then they're ready to take out. Now I'm going to use the HAIRPLAY Dry Texture Spray, mainly on the roots, and then the HAIRSTAY Anti-Humidity Seal for the ends. I'm going to use this like salt and pepper. When it looks good, I'm going to be happy with it. And this is Valentina's 90s blowout look. If you like it and you want to see lots more creative stylists doing really creative looks, go on our channel.